Hiya too, hope you're okay. I'm going to share a story with you today. Sorry if you can hear lots of noise. It's Peggy. I don't know what she's doing. Let me just show you her. She's here. She's going to listen to the story today, but she's going to sit down here. She's saying hello. You're saying hello to everybody, Peggy. You're saying hello. She's saying hello to you all. And I'm sorry it's very noisy. My boys are at home as well. But I'm hoping they're going to be quiet soon because I have told them that I'm doing a story for you guys today. So I'll just move my computer back up here. But she wanted to say hello to you all. So today I am going to share with you this book called The Worrysaurus. I've brought it into the classroom before, but I don't think we got a chance to read it. It's a really nice book. It's all about feelings and how you might feel if you're feeling a bit worried, and some of you might feel a bit worried at the moment. That's okay to feel worried. It's just about making sure that you talk to somebody if you're feeling worried. Oh, sorry, Peggy's just got something. I need to get it off before I start this book. No, off that. She's chewing up a piece of paper. Not good. The Worrysaurus. The author of this book is Rachel Bright and Chris Chatterton. And shall I read the information on the back, the blurb, because I didn't do that with one of my books that I read the other day. It's a beautiful day and Worrysaurus has planned a special picnic, but it isn't long before a small butterfly of worry starts fluttering in his tummy. What if he hasn't brought enough to eat? What if he gets lost in the jungle? What if he trips and falls? What if it rains? So these are all feelings that he's got inside his head that he's worried about when he goes to the picnic, what he might be feeling. On a hot and sunny morning, under lovely clear blue skies, a little Worrysaurus was opening his eyes. Can you see the little Worrysaurus there? Just opening his eyes. He brushed his tiny pointy teeth, then washed his top and tail. He packed a little bag of snacks and set off on a trail. He skipped along with happy legs across the golden sand. Sorry, Peggy, we had to pause it because Peggy needed letting out. I'll start again. He packed a little bag of snacks and set off on a trail. He skipped along with happy legs across the golden sand and thought about the day he had plotted, sketched and planned. A lovely yummy picnic, a delicious summer spread. Worrysaurus liked it when he knew what lay ahead. But he hadn't gotten far, you see. It hadn't been that long before his busy head dreamed up some things that might go wrong. Had he made enough to eat today and brought enough to drink? This Worrysaurus often was a one to overthink. He's overthinking. He's thinking too much about his day, isn't he? What if I get lost, he thought, or trip and have a fall? His happy legs were slowing to a snuffly, shuffly crawl. Worrysaurus liked it when he felt he was prepared. Unexpected things happenings, they made him feel quite scared. So when suddenly from nowhere a lizard skirted by, shouting in a squeaky yelp and pointing at the sky. I think a storm is coming. I heard it's on its way. Well, that really put a cloud above his Worrysaurus day. A storm, said Worrysaurus, when it's so dry and hot and sunny. But the news became a butterfly that flittered in his tummy. I'm not ready for the rain, he said. I haven't got my wellies. His teeth began to chatter and his knees turned to jellies. And all the while the sky was blue. The sun it shone and shone. But now his lovely picnic thoughts were definitely gone. Should he find a cave to shelter, or run back home and hide? His little worry butterfly felt very strong inside. That's his little worry butterfly there that goes near him when he's feeling a bit worried. I spoke about it in one of our lessons yesterday, actually, the butterfly that sometimes people might have in their tummies. It might feel a bit fluttery when you're feeling a bit worried. But then he thought of something that his mummy liked to say. Oh, my little Worrysaurus, chase that butterfly away. Don't worry now, my lovely. You must try not fret. If it's not a happy ending, then it hasn't happened yet. So she tells him to chase the butterfly away. So he reached into his bag just then to find a little tin. It helped him with his worries. It had happy things within. A special stick, his teddy Ned, a pebble, and a letter. And as he held them one by one, everything felt better. So he's got these little things that make him feel better, and when he holds them, they help him to make them worries go away. So some of you might have a special teddy at home that when you hug it, it helps you feel less scared and less worried, doesn't it? Might it? Then he put away his tin and all the worries in his head, freed his little butterfly for happy thoughts instead. I'll stand up tall, I can be strong. I'll chase my fears away. All is good and all is well, and everything's okay. And with those little wordlings he calmed his busy brain, since when the sun is shining, why worry that it will rain? So he shared his little picnic with the lizard in the sun, and they laughed all their worrying and really had some fun. Since when you're in the moment, there's no need to run or hide, and then the only butterflies will be the ones outside. Call them butterflies. Can you see them all? He's chasing his butterfly. He's chasing his worries away, isn't it? I loved that book, and we did speak about the butterflies in our tummies, didn't we? It's called the Worrysaurus, and I'm so glad that I've got to share that with you today, because I think it's really important that we're talking about how we're feeling. And if you do have those butterfly feeling in your tummy, think of something that might help you stop worrying. Like it's okay to be worried, isn't it? But it's better to try and solve that worry, isn't it? And talking to somebody always helps you with your worries as well, doesn't it? So if you talk to a grown up or talk to somebody in the classroom or one of your friends, and that might help your worry go away. I have loved reading that story with you today, and I hope you all have a lovely day, and maybe you could do some butterflies or something of your own worries that you might have. You could write them down on a butterfly and then maybe blow them away somewhere, or you could think of something else you could do with them. Put them in a little special box. When you've got a worry, write it down on a butterfly, put it in a special box somewhere maybe, and share it with one of your grown-ups and talk about why you're feeling that worried. Okay, you two, have a lovely day. See you later, bye.